Grok 3 Honest Review. My final verdict after using it for 30 days. In this video, I'm going to share with you my final verdict for Grok 3 after using it for 30 days. I'm going to tell you the strengths, the weaknesses, and the disadvantages of this app. So to get started, the speed is excellent. The casual tone makes it feel more like a social AI than a research tool. It's built directly into Twitter or X, which makes access seamless, but it lacks depth when handling complex topics. Here's what I liked: fun responses, easy integration, and quick summaries. Here's what I didn't like: no file upload, no memory, and limited customization. I would say it's great for memes, replies, and light research, but it's not something I would use for writing reports or digging into technical data. After 38 days, I will still use Grok, but only for specific tasks like generating tweets or recaps. I would say that it is more of a social AI tool rather than a research buddy kind of tool. When compared to ChatGPT, I don't think that Grok could compare, or the intelligence of Grok could handle what ChatGPT or Claude AI can do. It's a good companion tool, but not my go to AI. So, if you need something serious, pair it with a more advanced model, because I can see that Grok, you can only use it really with Twitter. So, if you're not much of a Twitter fan, I wouldn't be able to recommend this.